Hey guys, Beauty Forever has us covered with an effortless slay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into a unit from Beauty Forever. I feel like I have not done a Beauty Forever wig in forever, but this is the unit that we are going to be reviewing today. This is going to be Beauty Forever's 6x4 glueless lace wig with a natural side part bob. It is a water wave, minimalist lace, human hair wig with drawstring. It's 220% density. It's a lot of hair on this unit. And this unit actually comes from 10 inches all the way up to 14 inches. This one is going to be a 12-inch length, and I actually cut off maybe about an inch at the bottom. When I did co-wash this unit and kind of define the waves on this unit. I also plucked the hairline just a little bit, but you'll see that in just a moment. So this unit again is a 6x4 lace closure, 220% density. Now this one comes with a left side part, but you could also get it as a right side part. So right side part girlies, we have you covered this time. As far as the price, we are looking at $117. If I do have any kind of promo code, I'll put that down in the description box below. But here is the unit. She is gorgeous. I'm going to give you all a close-up of this wave. And of course, this is 100% human hair. Color is a natural black. But I love that this unit has a drawstring. So I'm going to show you really quickly everything that came in the box or the bag that it came in. And then I will show you what this unit looks like wet down, how I pluck the hairline and then define the waves on this unit and clip the ends just a little bit. And then we're going to come back to do the install. All right, so the unit came in this little tote here. I love when units come in these totes because I can reuse these to store my units or travel. Also in the bag, we have this little satin bag. This is also to store the unit. It has that drawstring top and says Beauty Forever on it. We have not one, but 2 packs of HD wig caps. Also a Beauty Forever elastic band, and this one has the Velcro on the back, and this one is to melt lace. All right, so I'm going to jump to the night before where I define the waves, put the hairline, clip the ends so you can see all of that, and then come right back so we can go ahead and install. All right, so here's what the unit looks like just straight out of the box. The waves are nice as is. You can wear it straight out of the box. However, I know that I'm going to have to wash this unit. Also, I noticed that the hairline is super thick, so we're going to have to pluck it out a little bit. So with my lady tweezers, I'm just tweezing right around the hairline. And I am no expert in plucking a hairline, so this may or may not be the right way to do it, but I am just plucking out random hairs just to kind of thin this out. Now I'm taking a rat tooth comb and just parting back just a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing with my tweezers, just constantly plucking to try to thin out the hair. And I'm using that comb to also comb through the hair to get out any of the excess hair that is being plucked out. So I washed and conditioned the unit, and here is what it looks like wet. Fully saturated, the waves are super loose, but I'm just combing through it with my brush, just getting out any kind of kinks and tangles, which of course there were none. But now I am just clipping the ends of this unit, and I'm clipping about an inch off and basically just cutting a straight line all the way across. And now just a little bit of curl mousse. You can use whatever brand you like. I usually like Lotta Body, and I'm just smoothing that through the hair. And at the top, I am using my rat tooth comb to just comb everything nice and flat. Now again, since the waves are super loose on this unit, there's no need to really define the curls or define the waves. All I'm doing is just smoothing the product through the hair and just kind of scrunching it. So usually with my curly units, I tilt it back and just let it air dry overnight. All right, so before we install, I do want to show you the construction on this unit. So here is the inside of the unit. We do only have a little bit of lace right here and then right around the hairline. It actually goes back a nice amount around the hairline, but can only be worn as a left side part unless you prefer the right side part one, which you will have to select that when you order. Now, there are no combs in the front of this unit. We do have this thin elastic band that goes around the back of your head. We also have a comb right here in the back and also this little drawstring. So to install, I'm going to place the elastic band around the back of my head, and then I am going to pull the unit down, placing that back comb in the back of my hair. And then I'm going to turn around and go ahead and install those front combs as well. So both combs on the front side. In the back, we have that drawstring, so I'm going to pull tight on that drawstring and then just tuck the ends of the string in the side of the unit in the back. You can wear this unit glueless, but I am going to go ahead and spray it down. And this is Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray, the Plus, and just spraying that directly on the lace around the hairline. And then I'm going to take that elastic band, attach the Velcro in the back, and then move it up like a headband. Let that sit right on top of that lace, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I can go ahead and remove the elastic band. I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 with an angled brush and just dab that right there in the parting space to make the part pop. And now with my contouring powder, I am just going to use a brush and dab that right around the hairline on that lace. Since I did spray the lace down, it was looking a little ashy and I wanted to tint it to my own skin tone. So that is why I'm using the contouring powder. And that is it for this install. I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you can see all angles. So here is the back, flowy, bouncy, wavy, absolutely stunning. All right, guys, so that was the install, and this is the final look. This is a look that I did not know that I needed, but yes. So let me give you all a close-up of this hairline and the parting space. Yeah. So let me get into the pros and cons of this unit really quickly. So pro number one for me is the effortless wave of this unit. This unit is so gorgeous because it's so effortless. It's not a ton of curl defining, and it's not super silky straight that you have to curl it with a curling iron. It's just put on and kind of just go with the flow, and I love that about it. Now, this unit came out of the box. The hairline was not plucked at all, like not even a little bit, so I did have to pluck it some just to give it a more natural look, but I really love the way that it came out. Now, let's talk about shedding. Was there any shedding when I did wash this unit? Now, let me just stop right here and just say that with curly units and wavy units, I do like to wash them before that I wear them because I just like to customize it to my preference. I don't want to just add mousse on and then just go about my day. No, I need to wash it and really like get out the manufactured waves and all of that and just really customize the unit to my preference. Also, I do not like wet hair on my head. So you will rarely see me like wet a unit down on my head and dry it with a blow dryer or anything like that because I just don't like the feeling, the stickiness of wet hair on my head. So you will always see me prep the unit the night before on my mannequin head and just let it air dry overnight. It's easy peasy. It's ready to go the very next day for you to install. So it's less work that you have to do the day of when you're getting ready. So yes, I do love the effortlessness of this. It was not a lot of shedding when I did wash the unit. And I only cut maybe an inch off. It was like right to here before, but I just wanted to be like super duper full here at the bottom. This unit is 220% density. So it's a lot of hair on this unit, but I just wanted to showcase that here at the bottom as well for it to be nice and super thick and super full. So, yes, when you get this unit, you will have to pluck the hairline just a tad. And if you would like a nice full thick look here at the bottom, then you will just have to trim it just a little bit. And it was super easy to do. I just cut it straight across and that was pretty much it. Now this unit, the cap size, so we do have traditional ear tabs on this unit. We do have the drawstring, we have the elastic band in the inside, but I still feel like this unit is a little big for my head. The ear tabs are barely fitting where they need to. And I do like the fact that there is a drawstring in the back so that I can pull it tight and secure it. So it's really not going anywhere. It just feels like it's a big cap on my head. So it is an average cap size, 22.5 inches, but it's a lot of cap on this unit. I love the fact that this is a minimalist lace unit. We only have lace here in the parting space and then right here around the hairline. So this is very much so a beginner friendly unit. Anyone would be able to install this unit. Now, one misleading thing on the website is it says that it's a 6x4 closure. Really, it's a T-part unit. It's only lace in the parting space. So if you decide to get it on the left side or the right side, it's only going to be lace in that parting space. It's not a free parting closure, which I like, but I just want to let you know that it's not a free parting closure. So I'm thinking it's like 6 inches back here. So from the hairline to the back of the lace here, and then 4 inches right here in the hairline. That's pretty much all the lace that you get, but it's enough for me because I don't like a ton of lace. That's just my personal preference. But let me turn around so I can show you all angles of this gorgeous unit again. So of course, this is the front. We have the side. We have the back, side again, and front. Now this unit is very affordable. It's only $117, and if you have a promo code, which if I do have one, I'll put it down in the description box below, but very much so a beginner friendly unit. So yeah, I say get your hands on it. It's a look. It's so pretty and effortless. It's giving like vacation vibes. I love it. I think it's so super cute. So I'm going to put everything down in the description box below, a link to Beauty Forever, of course my promo code if I have one, and then also a link to this specific unit. So again, this one is going to be Beauty Forever's Glueless lace wig, natural side part, short bob, water wave, minimalist lace human hair wig with the drawstring, 220% density. Get your hands on this gorgeous unit. Again, a round of applause for the hairline. It looks so good. And that parting space with just a little bit of makeup. But yes, Beauty Forever, thank you so much. This one is bomb. Loves it. All right, so that wraps up this review. Hope you all enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.